Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the source files are intact. Open your gallery or file manager and locate the exact clip or image. Don't assume it's still where the project expects. If the file moved or was renamed, Capcut will show media not found. Once located, note the folder path and file name so you can restore or relink it. Also check app permissions and available storage so Capcut can access and write to that location without interruption. Next, you relink the missing assets inside Capcut. Open the project and go to the media panel to spot the missing markers. Capcut lets you browse to replace them. Tap the missing thumbnail, choose Browse or Relink, then navigate to the exact file you verified earlier. Make sure you pick the original clip rather than a lower quality copy, because matching resolution and file format prevents timeline glitches. Once linked, scrub the timeline to confirm clips appear, and playback is smooth. To finish, you resolve persistent failures and stabilize the project. If relinking doesn't work, export or duplicate the project as a backup, then clear Capcut's cache or re-import the original files into a fresh project. This often fixes corrupted references. If issues persist, backup projects and media, uninstall and reinstall Capcut to reset internal indexes. Quick troubleshooting tip. If media still shows missing, confirm the file isn't stored in an encrypted or synced-only cloud folder that disconnects from the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.